Assalamualaikum and hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to control a servo using a smartphone. Go to our tutorial page to get the sample code. I shared the sample code here. I'm using virtual pin for this project. You can click here to know more about the virtual pins. Here explain on how we can use the virtual pins. Next, copy and paste the sample code to the Arduino IDE. As usual, make sure to insert your auth token, SSID and password. Then, here we are using virtual pin V3 and the servo is attached at digital pin 9. Then just upload the code. Now it is connected to Wi-Fi. So let's set up our Blynk app.